welcome back. Something a little bit different this week. I've still got the fighter project obviously, but there are a few parts I'm waiting for on that. So this is actually being done for a good old friend of mine. We went to school together, so I've known him for years. A guy called Nick. He's got his own little mini race team, amateur skimp racing. I'll leave a link in the description below, so go check him out. It's basically him. He's the rider, and his wife, who's basically his mechanic, and sort of chief engineer, so to say. But I thought I'd do a little gift for them, which I thought would be nice. I've had it hanging around for a while, and it's this little 50cc mini Moto. I thought it'd be. Plan is basically Nick rides a Aprilia RS250 in the Bemsey Blue Haze competition, and I thought I'd replicate his race bike in a mini Moto. The bodywork of his bike, I'll show you a picture so you can actually see what it looks like and what I'm trying to copy. Main bodywork on his bike is a carbon fibre body shell. As you can see by this one, it is a bit tatty, so this is going to need to be rubbed down. But what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to wrap it, but it is difficult to get it all in one bit. I'm not actually that brilliant at it, so what I'm going to do is actually create it in panels. So there'll be accent panels of carbon fibre basically. I do have the side fairings. I've got the nose fairing. I just need to get a screen for it. I've got a selection of parts there. The engine needs to be taken out and stripped down, cleaned through. Wheels out, get them repainted, get the brakes all sorted, and then get it fired up. His season starts middle of March. Obviously I'm not going to have it ready by that time, so the aim is to actually get this ready mid to 3/4 length of the season and hopefully get it up to them. So basically they can use it as a little pit bike. I thought it'd be quite nice. So stick with me and I'll start breaking this one down.